Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Class 10, Subject Physics, Unit number 11. Today is our topic ultrasound. Today is our topic about ultrasound. So, first I will tell you about the definition. The sound of frequency higher than 20,000 Hz, which are inaudible to the normal human ear, are called a ultrasound or a ultrasonic waves. In other words, we can see that the sounds which have the frequency higher than 20,000 Hz, that we cannot hear these sounds. These are known as a ultrasound waves. Now, we will discuss about the uses of ultrasound. The first one, ultrasonic waves carry more energy and higher frequency than audible sound waves. Therefore, according to the wave equation, that is equal to V is equal to F lambda, the wavelength of ultrasonic wave is very small and is very useful for the detecting very small objects. Next, ultrasonic waves are utilized in medical and the technical fields. In medical field, ultrasonic waves are used to diagnose or the treat of a different elements. Like you can say that for the diagnosis of a different disease, ultrasonic waves are made to enter the human body through the transmitters. These waves are reflected differently by different organs, tissues, or tumors, and so on. The reflected waves are then amplified to form an image of the internal organs of the body on the screen. Such an image helps in detecting the defects in these organs. Powerful ultrasound is now being used to move blood clots formed in the arteries. Ultrasound can also be used to get the picture of thyroid gland for the diagnosis purposes. Next one, the ultrasound is used to locate the underwater depth or is floor. The technique is called a sonar. 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 Sound navigation and ranging system is known as. The sound waves are sent from a transmitter and receiver collected the reflected sound. The time lapse is collected knowing the speed of the sound in water. The distance of the object from the ocean surface can be estimated. So here is the diagram. Ultrasound is used to measure depth of water by the echo method. That is a boat or a ship, and that is a water surface here, and that is a detector, and that is a transmitter, and that is a sea belt. When a waves passing through this and reflected by this and getting to the detector. Sonar is arranging is also used to see the shape and the size of the object. So, cracks appear in the interior of a moving parts of a high-speed heavy machines such as the turbines, engines of the ships and airplanes due to the excessive use. These cracks are not visible from outside but they can be very dangerous. Such cracks can be detected by the ultrasonics. A powerful beam of ultrasound is made to pass through these defective parts. While passing, these waves are reflected by the surface of these cracks and flaws. The comparison of the ultrasonic waves reflected from the cracks and from the surfaces of these parts can give a clue of the ex existence of the cracks. No, the last one use is that germs and the bacteria in the liquid can also be destroyed by using the high intensity ultrasonic waves. So this is our topic